Hello children. Kodagu, Kitturu, Tulunadu, Hyderabad, Karnataka. That lesson we are learning, and in today's class we are learning about the Hyderabad, Karnataka. Name only different, no children. Hyderabad, Karnataka. Karnataka along with the Hyderabad. That is the speciality here because this Kannada speaking people were there, but they are under the control of Hyderabad Nizam. So that area is called as the Hyderabad, Karnataka. In that, revolt of the Beda Nayakas is very important one. Who are these Beda Nayakas? During Vijayanagar kingdom, children, empire, they divided the kingdom and they made many rulers, leaders they made for the blocks. They are called Palegaras. And in the hilly region, Beda Nayakas were there. They are also warriors. So what happened after the Vijayanagar Empire? They become independent. When Vijayanagar Empire collapsed in the year 1565, it is collapsed. That time they declared themselves as independent rulers. They started ruling. Chitradurga Nayaka and all their Palegaras ruling children. And this Halagli Beda Nayakas there. They are belongs to the Vijayanagar kingdom only, empire only. They revolted against the British. Why they revolted against the British? What are the causes for that? 4 are there children, 3 are there, one by one I will explain. First is exploitation by the local zamindars. British used to collect the tax from the zamindar. They appointed the zamindars. For a group of village, they made one zamindar. Big farmer only, they made him as a zamindar. He used to collect the tax from the small villages. That one he used to hand over to the British. Like that he used to make system. He is a middleman between British and the farmer. While collecting the tax, he was very cruel. They are not good with the farmers. They are doing favor to the British, not for the farmers. Even though he is a zamindar, is a Indian. Even though they are doing favor to the British, they are exploiting the farmers. Even crops is failed, is not having any money to give the tax means whatever the farmer is having, that one they used to collect. While collecting, they used to eat them. So many types of torture they used to do to the farmers. That is the first reason. Second one, exploitation by the British. Even British people also, they are harassing the Beda Nayakas, farmers. That is the second reason. Third one, passing of Arms Act and the Forest Act. These two acts were against the Beda Nayakas. First one, Arms Act. According to the Arms Act, what they made, Indians should not have the weapons. In case if you want the weapon means, you have to take the prior permission from the British government. Then only you can have the weapons. But Beda Nayakas, they are hunting people, children. Hilly people, they are Beda Nayakas. Beda means what? Hunting one is called Beda. Hunting is their profession. They need weapons. How everyone can take the permission from the British government? It is not possible. So they are against this one. Then Forest Act. Forest only their livelihood. In the forest only they are hunting. So while entering you have to take the permission means how it is possible for them. That is their home, that is their livelihood. From there only they are getting food. So that is also against the Beda Nayakas. Because of this reason, they revolted against the British. These are the 3 reasons. Follow children, Arms Act and Forest Act. Yes. So these Beda Nayakas, what is their aim means? Just to throw the British out of our country. That was their aim. See children, Halagli village. It is in Mudhol Taluk of Bagalkot district. Mudhol Taluk and Bagalkot district. Halagli is a village. From the Beda Nayakas are from that village. They are famous children. Halagli Beda Nayakas only they are called. They are well known for the wrestling. Till today many wrestlers are Kusti Pailwan we are calling, no? That one. They are from Halagli only. Till today. Such a brave, strong fighters there. Warriors there. Halagli Beda Nayakas. Then they are having the weapons for their defense. In the Vedanayaka revolt, famous leaders are Jadaga, Bala, Rami. These are the leaders, Vedanayaka leaders. Rami is a lady children. She is also Vedanayaka leader. Then British, all are having the weapons. They revolted against the British. Everyone they sacrifice, ready to sacrifice their life for the freedom. Therefore, directly they fought with the British with their weapons, but British were strong enough, so they suppressed the Vedanayaka's revolt. Nearly 290 people they captured, Vedanayaka people, 290, and 19 were hanged. 19 people they captured and they hanged them in the Vedanayaka revolt days. But even though Vedanayakas, the Vedanayaka revolt was suppressed, they got the special place in the Indian history of freedom struggle. Many folk songs and all is there, children. In the name of Vedanayakas, they are referred as a tiger. Puliginta Shuraru, like that in Kannada, Janapada song is there on the Vedanayakas. Means they are more brave than the tiger. Tiger only very cruel, very strong, and more than that they refer the alagli Vedanayakas, such as strong persons there. Okay, children. About Rami means she is the Vedanayaka leader, lady she is, and she fought with the British children with a weapon, but she shoot dead in the revolt by the British. Follow, children. Yes, this is about Rami. Next, one more is Sindhura Lakshmana. Do you heard the word, children? Sindhura Lakshmana is a remarkable leader who fought with the British. He is a common man, children. He is from the Sindur village of Jat Taluk, Sangli district. Maharashtra it is Jat Taluk of Sangli district. Bedara Sabu and Narsawa, these are the parents of the Sindhura Lakshmana. Lakshmana is named as he belongs to the Sindhuru, so he is called as a Sindhuru Lakshmana. Then his tomb is in Bilgi. His tomb is in Bilgi. What happened he used to do, children? In Sindhuru, village is under the control of Inamdar, and they were exploiting the village people. They are very cruel with the village people. Sindhura Lakshmana openly he challenged that Inamdar and British for their exploitation. Then what he started taken small group and he started attacking the British or Inamdar treasury and all, and started looting their wealth, and not for him, children. He used to distribute that money what he looted among the farmers, among the needy, among the exploited one. In this way he was helping the people. Is it good or bad, children? Work was good, but the way he chosen is bad. He was looting the wealth. He was looting the wealth of the Inamdar, Zamindar, British. That one he was distributing among the British. British came to know about the Sindhura Lakshmana, so they started, and he was hiding his stay here and there. There is no particular place of his stay. When he was started distributing the money to the people, British came to know this one. Then they started inquiring to the villagers, where is Sindhura Lakshmana? He came for help, means maybe they are knowing where he is hiding. So they started giving very bad punishment to the people to tell his address. Where there are even villagers also don't know. He was helping and he is going somewhere else. Hiding he used to stay. But they are giving very cruel punishment to the villagers. Villagers fed up. Many villagers they started abusing the Sindhura Lakshmana only. So they called him as a plunder. Darodekora. Plunder means. Like that they abused him. This fellow is doing the loot, is looting the wealth. Because of him, innocent villagers are getting the punishments. Innocent people are treated very badly. So they started abusing him. Sindhur Lakshmana got hurt by this. His intention was helping the people. When people only started abusing him, he got hurt. So he went in a hiding place, that is in Koppadagutta children. But British also came to know that he was hiding there, and they, in the suspicion, they surrounded that hill place. Then in that only he was died. They shooted him and he was died in the encounter. This is all about the Sindhura Lakshmana. He also fought against the British children. He challenged openly British and started looting their wealth, helping the Indian farmers. Even his name is also there in the freedom struggle. Yes, for today's class, this much is enough, children. So, Surapur Nayakas is there. That one I will take in the next class. Surapur Nayakas also leaders in the Vijayanagar Empire. They also declared themselves as independent. They started ruling. That one I will take in the next class, children. For today's class, this is a homework. Mention the causes for the Veda Nayakas revolt. Revolt to take here. Then, who is Rani? Who is Sindhura Lakshmana? That one you write, children. Enough for today. Next class I will take the Nayakas of Surapur. Thank you.